My name's Moses Yame, heavy equipment repairer, craft, and I'm going to demonstrate the simulation of the excavator, how it works, the components that we have here. We have this the supply line, then we have the piston pump, variable displacement, then we have this is the direction control valve, mechanically operated, then we have the direction control valve pilot operated. We have these are the actuators, then we have this one is the book for boom, then the other one here is for the arm, this other one, then here we have this actuator here, the cylinder is for the bucket here, and from there we also have the flow meter, we also have the relief valve here in the circuit. Then on the other side there we have the main switch, we have the start switch, and we have the stop switch here, as I can operate it here. This is for the boom, that's the boom, the lifting and the lowering. Then the other one is for the arm, this is the arm, that's the actuation. Then this other one is for the bucket, the front part of our excavator there. So if we tend to operate it to dig a trench, and if we have a dump, either a dump truck or where to load, we load into it, then